Welcome to 674 West 17th Avenue. I have a beautiful home to show you, located in the Canby area. Let's go have a look. This condo features 750 square feet, 2 large bedrooms, cozy, one bath. The one bath has been renovated, also has the kitchen. All new hardwood flooring, all new paint throughout, and can you picture yourself sitting in front of this cozy fireplace on a rainy day? Hi, my name is David Crawford from eXp Realty. If you enjoyed this video and this home, please do not hesitate to give me a call and we can set up your own private showing.